Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Dwarvin Lighting System, which is really a very simple three-step process. So first of all, we're going to drill some holes in a rail board. So let's drill the holes. Okay, another one. Excellent, all right, very quick. Then we're just going to insert a fiber down through each hole. So I'm going to put lighting for 2 buildings. So there we go. All right, got fiber down there. Let's take another fiber, insert that into this other hole. Excellent. All right, now we're going to take those 2 fibers that I've got, and I'm going to insert those into a light source, which I've mounted underneath the board, which is where you'd mount your Dwarvin light source. And there we go. So now we've got lights. You can see they're quite bright. And then if we want to stick a building in, we've got lighting. And then we could take this building and we could take that. So it's a very simple process. But for example, we may decide, well, if the fiber was a bit too long, I can just come along with a pair of snips, snip off the end of it, and I've still got fiber that's lit. And I may even decide, let's put that building so that it's got a bit of a fire on it. Okay, let's put that fiber down a bit. Let's paint the end of that fiber red. There we go. And we've got a house on fire. I think you can see it's a very simple process, 3 steps only. Drill the holes, insert the fiber, and then into the Dwarvin lamp lighter box, and then put the buildings on it. And you're done. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.
Trainz.com. Making dreams come true. One train at a time.